Okay. During its grand opening weekend, a restaurant gave every fourth customer a free appetizer, every 10th customer a free beverage, and every 12th customer a free dish of frozen yogurt. Yum! Which customer was the first to receive all three free items? Remember, we're going to the first number, the first to receive all three free items. That means they don't just get one thing, they get all three. So let's look at it. We're going to start off with an appetizer. So these people are going to get an appetizer. I'm just going to call it an appetizer. And that's every fourth person. And then we are going to have someone come in. Every 10th customer is going to get a free beverage. All right, so I'm going to do a free beverage. Whoop, whoop. Try it again. A free beverage. Now that could be a Coca-Cola or my favorite, Dr. Pepper. And then, so we've got fourth customer free appetizer, every 10th customer a free beverage, and every 12th customer a free dish of frozen yogurt. Yum! All right, so we're going to have to do the frozen yogurt. Okay, now appetizers every fourth customer, beverage was every 10th customer, right? And then the yogurt was every 12th customer. All right, well, let's look at the yogurt. So let's say all these people are standing in line, and you're going down and you're counting customer 1, customer 2, customer 3. Which of those customers is going to get a free yogurt? You're right, the 12th customer is going to get one. He's going to get a free yogurt. Who's the next person? 13, 14, 15, 16. Well, the next person is going to get a free yogurt is the 24th customer. Then the 36. What are these numbers? These are all multiples of 12. Then 48. Then 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72. So all of these customers right here get a free yogurt. Oh, that is awesome. Now, let's look at the beverage, the drink. Well, which people get a free drink? So another person comes down, they start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who gets the first free drink? The 10th person, because 10 times 1 is 10. Then all of a sudden they count again, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So who's the next person who gets another free drink? The 20th customer. Then the 30th customer. Then the 40th customer. Then the 50th customer. Then the 60th. Now hold on a minute. Look at this. This guy right here, not only does he get a free yogurt, he also gets a free beverage. This guy is the lucky duck. All right, I'd be the one that doesn't get anything. All right, well, let's do now the appetizer. All right, here we go. So, fourth customer, then what's next? The 8, 12. Oh, wait, look. Hey, look at this. The 12th customer gets an appetizer and a yogurt, but they don't get a beverage. Nope. All right, 4, 8, 12, 16, then 20. Oh, look at there. Look here. 20 and 20. They get an appetizer and a beverage, but they don't get a yogurt. All right, 12, 16, 20, 24. Hey, look, 24 yogurt, 24 they get 2 of them. Then 28, then 32, then 36. Oh, look, this guy gets an appetizer and he gets a yogurt. 40. Oh, look at this guy. This guy gets an appetizer and he gets a beverage. Then 44, then 48, then 52. Goodness sakes almighty. Hey, look, 48 and 48. Then 56, and then 60. Now, hold on a minute. Look at this. This guy, 60, he not only gets a free appetizer, he's getting a free beverage, and he's getting a free yogurt. So which customer was the first to receive all 3 free items? The 60th customer gets all 3 free items. There's other people that get 2, but this guy is the lucky duck. Look at that. The rest of us, yeah, I wouldn't get anything. All right.